Start by setting personal goals. Reflect on the previous year and plan for the new year. Create personal goals that are truly meaningful to you and put together a game plan that you can stick to. Doing these things will significantly increase your chances of achieving the goals that you've set out for the new year. Take your time when it comes to writing down your personal goals. Being able to really look into and pinpoint what you really need for yourself helps to start building and strengthening self-love. It's important to realize that we need to take care of our own needs and wants in order to give to others. Writing down your personal goals and following through with your plan of action to achieve them creates the success that you need and that you deserve. Sometimes, getting started can be the hardest part. Here are some suggestions and points that can guide you through writing your personal goals. List the personal goals you want to accomplish and why you want to accomplish them. Map out how you can achieve these goals and give each one a deadline. List your support system, anyone that will support you in any way of achieving your goal. No goals are too big or too small, and remember what's important to you may not necessarily be important to someone else. Consider documenting your achievements and your journey. This way, you can use this the next year to build more remarkable New Year's resolutions.